Formatting worksheets in MS Excel, Part 1. Hello children, let us learn about formatting worksheets in MS Excel. While preparing worksheets displaying timetable, sales report, etc., the key data items are required to stand out. For this, MS Excel provides a variety of formatting options that help in improving the appearance of a worksheet. Formatting. After entering data into the worksheet, you can format the worksheets to display the data in an effective manner. The process of making the worksheet data look more presentable and attractive by changing its appearance is called formatting. Formatting just changes the way the data appears on a worksheet and not the actual values. In this chapter, we will discuss different options for formatting worksheets. You can format the data in a worksheet by using the formatting toolbar. Formatting toolbar. MS Excel also has a formatting toolbar. To format the data in a cell, first select the cell and then click an appropriate button on the formatting toolbar. This formatting toolbar provides options for changing the font, size, background color, font color, and alignment of the text in a cell. This toolbar also provides options to apply styles like bold, italics, and underline the text. The toolbar also contains various buttons for these formatting options. The various options available on the formatting toolbar are font, font size, bold, italics, underlined, border, increase and decrease indentation, fill color and font color, alignment buttons, orientation or rotation of the text, wrap text, merge and center, number format options.